All right, guys, we're back. Thanks for joining us for another Fun Fact Friday today. A couple of things that we really wanted to key in on today. Really some of the stuff that you're not able to see when you're just outside or even inside looking at our trailers. Stuff that, and I've always said, you know, when it comes to these things, especially for our retail customers, in the RV industry, we all do a great job at really making our products look really, really good. I call it painting the pig. And some guys are better at it than others. But it's the stuff that you can't see, especially the stuff that our retail customer can't see, that really makes the difference. One key thing that we do that really sets us apart in the industry is we don't build with any OSB, any structure wood. And to tell you the truth, this is such an important part of our build process that if we didn't build with real plywood, we probably wouldn't be able to offer the full 2-year warranty like we do. It's that big of a deal for us. Josh has got the camera rolling. You're able to see right here, it's kind of right at the start, right at the very beginning of our production line. Right behind us is where the bare chassis roll in. Normally, they've just quit for the day here, but this is right where our guy builds our floors. You can see it starts with a layer of Darko underbelly. Actually, over here, you might even be able to see better. Darko underbelly, layer of our R38 radiant foil technology, layer of R7 batten insulation, and then obviously our aluminum superstructure, which is probably the best built floor in our industry. You can see that we're 12 inches on center all the way across, in some places even better. And then we also go every 4 feet all the way down the trailer. Obviously it's better than that in some places around our doors, around our vent openings, but probably the stoutest structure on the market. I'm going to walk over here. Josh can probably follow me with the camera, but you can see our plywood stacked up over here. So we deck both our roofs and our floors with 3/8 inch real plywood, no OSB. And here's the difference, guys. I mean, I don't know how familiar you are with OSB versus plywood. I mean, you could go onto any manufacturer's website that manufactures both and get the pros and cons from them themselves. But if you have had some experience with it, you'll know that with OSB, it doesn't really need to get wet per se. It just needs to get moist or humid, and it just swells right up. And the problem with it is after it dries out, it never goes back to retain its original shape. Not nearly like plywood will, right? And the problem is, since it's just made out of all these little chips of wood, once it swells up, well, then it just starts to crumble as that thing bounces down the road. Huge reason why we can offer the 2-year warranty. Huge reason why nobody else can, right? If any other manufacturer tried to offer a 2-year warranty that was building with structure wood, probably would put them out of business pretty quick. So guys, thanks for joining us for another Fun Fact Friday, and we'll see you next week.